If your Roblox display name or username is showing in Chinese and you want to switch it back to English or change it to something new, Roblox allows you to update your name through your account settings. Changing your name is quick as long as you follow the proper steps. So let's get started. First, you need to go ahead and launch your Roblox application on your mobile device. Log into your specific account, then tap on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen and then scroll down and go to Settings. From this page, you're supposed to go to Account Info, which is the initial option in this page. Once you're in this Account Info page, you need to tap on this display name or the username wherever you've set your name to Chinese. Let's go ahead and try changing our display name first. Let's suppose my name is set to Chinese. I'm just going to click on the backspace to delete this name. And then I'm going to use a new English name that I want to set. Then tap on Save, which is highlighted in black color, and you'll be done. Remember that your display name can only be changed once in every 7 days, and you can also follow the same steps for username as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.